mommy, daddy, this food is so delicious. It's so yummy.
Welcome to Bakicino. Sweet delicacy. Welcome to Bakicino. Bakicino. And your favorite kind of food with the cook. Bakicino. Sweet delicious food for Bakicino. Welcome to Bakicino. Bakicino. Come and taste and see that life is sweet. Come and learn and cook your favorite food. For Bakicino, sweetness is assured. For Bakicino, quality is assured. For Bakicino, best for African delicacy. We be the best, number one, nobody.